Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you guys are watching from. I just got back from the mall and I figured I would just show you guys everything that I picked up. It's kind of random. Some stuff have to do with like little Mother's Day gifts, but also my dad's birthday is close to Mother's Day and I went shopping mainly for him, but also I picked up some stuff for myself. I'm trying to make a big girl purchase. Well, I'm debating trying to make a big girl purchase. It's not like a house or anything crazy like that. It's not a car. I already have a car. I'll explain that in a little bit when we get to that topic. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. We're gonna start off with this cute little purple bag from Purdy's Chocolate. I love this store. They have really good chocolates. I saw the cutest little chocolate roses. I saw that they had sunflower ones on their Instagram account, but I went and they did not have any sunflower ones by the time I had gone. But as I mentioned, Mother's Day is coming up, so I picked up the cutest little chocolates and I got these ones. How cute. I got 3 of them. I want to add them to my Mother's Day gift, so I got one for my mom, my grandma, and my boyfriend's mom, because yes, I do give her flowers for Mother's Day. Next up, we went to Nike. Kind of boring, kind of not really boring, but I got my dad some little flip-flops. He loves going to the beach with my mom. Wake up early, have breakfast by the water, and literally just be at the beach all day long and not do anything. So that's what they like to do. His birthday's coming up. He needed a new pair. He has other Nike ones like the slides. So I figured I would get him this one too in case he wants to like swap out. Moving on, we have Zara, which I almost splurged and bought a bunch of things at Zara, but then their change rooms are open, thankfully. So I went to try everything on and I just wasn't a fan, although I wish I had brought my camera so I could have shown you guys in the kind of change room of me trying on the pieces and what I decided not to get. I think I'm gonna start doing that more the next time I go to the mall, but this time I just didn't, and I ended up buying one thing for myself, which was this bag. It might not be everybody's favorite. Even I was debating it. I went to the mall, I think a couple weeks ago, and I saw this bag and I picked it up. I loved it, but also didn't buy it. I put it back and I went back today and it was still there, or maybe they got a new shipment, but this was the last one there. And I really think it's so cute for like summer. It's more on the pricey side though. It was $59.90, which kind of pricey for a Zara bag, but it is magnetic closure and open. And that's what the inside looks like. I love the straps. I think it's really cute, or even as a crossbody. Look how stinking cute this is as just like a cute little crossbody. Size-wise is also really good. I don't know if you can see how big it is, but this is my phone, and stick it in there and like there's just so much space. But the story behind this is I went to the mall with my boyfriend not too long ago and we were just browsing around and there was a YSL store, and I walked into the YSL store and I saw this one bag on the shelf, and I walked straight to the bag and I was greeted by the lovely associate that works there, and of course she unlocks this bag and I'm watching her walk from behind the cash register to where I am looking at this bag up top. It was like beautiful, and I just see her come with her keys, and in my head I'm like, please don't unlock it, please don't unlock it, please don't unlock it. And she didn't even ask if I wanted to see it. She was already there unlocking it, and in that moment I knew that I was gonna fall in love with this bag. And as soon as I grabbed it, I tried it, I loved it. My boyfriend instantly loved it too. He was like, that is my favorite bag. Like, he likes that bag better than my Louis Vuitton bags. I love my Louis Vuitton bags, and I have been telling him I want to start clearing out old purses that I have, like Kate Spade ones, and kind of slowly growing my collection of like Louis Vuitton, YSL, Gucci, etc, etc. But like obviously throughout time, I'm not just going to do that now because that would just not be a good financial decision. Anyways, pick up this bag. It's like $3,300. It's a lot. It's beautiful, and I was just like instantly in love with this bag. I'll have a picture of it right here. This is the bag. It's beautiful. I have looked at reviews, and ever since then I have not stopped thinking about this damn YSL bag, and like it's $3,000 plus tax. Moving on, I see this purse and I texted my boyfriend, sent him a picture. I was like, look, it's the bag, it's still here. I call him, I'm like, talk me out of getting this bag. He's like, okay, you don't need the bag, whatever. He's talking me out of it, and then he goes, how much is the bag? And I'm like, it's $59. He stops, and I think he's comparing it to the $3,000 bag because he's like, it's only $59, get it. And then he goes, I'll get it for you, just get it and I'll transfer you the money. And I'm just here thinking, I don't know. Now that I'm looking at it, it's like $59 could go towards the YSL bag. But now I spent $50 on the Zara bag when I want to decrease my collection and grow my designer collection. So I honestly might return this bag now that I'm like thinking about it, even though he did offer to pay for it. I'm not going to let him pay for it. But also it's kind of cute. So let me know. Keep it, return it. I will probably eventually maybe get the bag. It's one of those things where it's like, I don't mind spending money for people I love, my mom, my dad, my boyfriend, my brother, anything, whatever. If I want to buy them something, I will absolutely spend the money on them. But now that it's like, okay, I can buy myself this bag, it's like, am I really gonna spend $3,000 on a bag when I could use it towards the down payment of a house? My boyfriend and I are saving up together for a house already. Anyways, that's the backstory. Also got a bomber for my dad, and I did try on a bunch of clothes at Zara. I don't know if I finished that story, but again, the bag and the money saving was like going in my head where it was like, okay, am I gonna spend $100 on clothes, or can I put the $100 towards the YSL? I'm thinking of selling a bunch of my like Kate Spade purses and a bunch of clothes on Depop, but then also like stores here that buy them, like Plato's Closet and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in like Kate Spade purses, I'll have them in my Depop at like a really good price if you guys want to check them out. But moving on, I got my dad a Zara bomber jacket, which is kind of cute. Well, it's not really a bomber jacket, it's like a spring jacket. My mom really wanted my dad to have like a jacket like this, and it was only $60 at Zara, just plain black. Moving on to Dynamite. I went to Dynamite, didn't get a bag because I didn't need a bag. I had so many other bags, I just popped it in there. But this is a cute dress that I picked up. Does not do it justice. Just like this, you will have to see the try on and just trust me. The only thing I don't like is how big these sleeves are. I just feel like it would have been a lot cuter if they were more smaller towards the wrists. I don't like it. I like everything else. I think it's very form-fitting. I paid $59.95 for it. I got it a size extra small. I just really like it. It's more of a cream kind of color. It's not a white, but it's also not like a yellowy. It's more of a tan, kind of compared to my white opal sweater. You can kind of see this is more of like a tan kind of color, but it's not a pure white. Not too long, not too short. It also has a zipper on the side to help you get in and out quickly and nicer, and then it is cinched at the waist. I really like this design. It's kind of similar to having a belt, but obviously it's not a belt. I personally would also have to fold it to make it look nice. Anyways, that is everything that I got today at the mall. I figured I would just show you guys what I picked up, and I think that's pretty much everything, if I'm not mistaken. I also got food on my way back, but I already ate it because I was starving. I'm on the hunt for Lululemon shoes for my mom. They are sold out everywhere. I really want to get her the pink ones, and they just won't restock on the website, and I've been stalking the website and the stores. Everybody is sold out of them. Hopefully I can get them in time for Mother's Day. If not, Mom, I'm sorry, you're gonna have to wait until I can find them. She really did want them, but they just sell out so quickly and I can't find them. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!